Okay, hi Science 30. As promised, I'm going to post a video. You guys are going to do what's called a virtual Bellringer quiz. So you have 10 different organic molecules that I want you to name. And I'm going to put them on a YouTube video. And then you guys can put your answers on a sheet of on a Word document and then submit it in the Dropbox. You can do this with a partner if you want. What I want you to do is I want you to remember that when you look at the molecular models, black is carbon, white is hydrogen, and blue is oxygen. And every, right, so if I look at this molecule here, right, every plastic cylinder connecting the representative black circular molecules is a bond, okay? So I'm gonna go through these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm gonna hold them up for a little bit, kind of move them around, and then you can pause the video as you need to and name it. Number your sheet 1 through 10, and then when you're done, submit it, and then I'll mark it. So this is number 1. I'm not going to say much about it, but you have time to decipher how many carbons and hydrogens there are. If there's double bonds or triple bonds or not. There's oxygen. And then name it. So that's 1. Here's number 2. So you can see that's important there. There's multiple bonds between those carbons. So you have to determine how many there are. You can see that there's branching as well. So make sure you determine the longest carbon chain and then determine what the side branch is. Okay, that's 2. Here's 3. Okay, so as you can see, there's a double bond OOH. Okay, those blues are the oxygen, right? Okay, so that's 3. Here's 4. Okay, so that is number 4. Okay, here's number 5. Okay, you can take a look at that. Like I said, you can pause the video as much as you need and go back and take a look. So I don't necessarily need to show them to you for a long time. This is 6. Okay, so you can see that there's the double bond O and then the single bond O right in the middle of this molecule. So make sure that you review my lectures and videos so you know how to name these things. But this is a different type of molecule from 4 and 5. Okay, so 6, as I said. Right, single bond O. There's a molecule on this side And then double bond O, there's another bonded molecule here, right? Okay, so that's 6. Here's 7. Okay, so this is quite a bit larger, so it might take you a little while to figure out what the longest chain is. Right, so make sure you count the longest chain, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So there you go. Okay. And I'll leave the last one here. So this is number 8. Remember your naming rules. You'll have side branches, but you also have a triple bond. So remember where you name from. Find your longest chain, and then name the side branches. Okay. And that should give you a clear picture of what that is. Here's 9. This one's written. So number 9. Remember how to name halogenated hydrocarbons? That's what this is. Okay. And here's 10. Not a complete structural diagram. This is a condensed structural diagram. Okay, so that is 10. All right, and that is it for the Bellringer. So like I said, you guys can pause the video as you need. You can work with a partner, put your answers on a Word doc, and then submit it on the Dropbox, and I will give you marks for that. It is out of 10. We'll see you later. Bye now.